As you work in Photoshop, you'll find yourself dependent upon the tools in the Tools panel. Typically, this is located on the left edge of the screen. However, you can tear it off and reposition. There are a few choices to realize. First off, if you click the little button in the top, it'll take the Tools panel from a single strip to a double column. This is very useful if you're dealing with limited screen real estate, such as an older laptop. When you choose a tool, mousing over, you'll generally see tooltips, and this will tell you the name of the tool as well as the appropriate keyboard shortcut. If you want to cycle tools, you can go ahead and press the Shift key plus that keyboard shortcut, in this case L for lasso. If you don't want to have to use the Shift key, that's easy. Just go to Photoshop Preferences, it's under the Photoshop menu on a Mac, or the Edit menu on a PC, and uncheck the box that says Use Shift key for tool switch and click OK. You can now just press the individual letter to cycle tools. Anytime you see a small triangle, that indicates that multiple tools are docked together, so you can click on that to see all the tools in that well. If you want to cycle with clicking, holding down the Option or Alt key allows you to cycle through all the tools in a particular well, which makes it easy to cycle through quickly. There you have it, several different ways to choose tools, and we're going to work with those as we explore more and more of our tool options.